Ang sarap ng sardines.
Yeah, she went for a sardine.
What thing? Huh, a thing doesn't mean say nothing. What is the thing?
Guys, a hand sanitizer thingy. Matigas lahat. Misty taking the whole thing. Hurry up, Rocks. Hurry up, this halfway, Rocks.
Good morning, Philippines!
Anyway guys, nag-alala ako guys. Diba, yung isang channel ko, binigay ko sa sister ko and then na-realize ko yung tax. I have these pictures of my cutie baby. Look at it. Look guys, Dimples and Hubs when they first get along. And look, this is when they first get along because they are enemies when we get Hubs. Dimples doesn't like it, and she doesn't like the feeling of being like not loved because she always attack us. So she kinda like go to Hubs and kissing him, and look what happened when they sleep together. That's the first time that they sleep together and they love each other. Like, look at them, they hug each other and what I did is just took picture really fast because they just like cuddled up. And this is the time that they really love each other. Like Dimples wanna love them Hubs. Look,
Yeah.
guys, guess what I have? Look, sardines. Nilagyan ko siya ng sili, nilagyan ko siya ng toyo at kunting asin. Ang sarap ng sardines.
Yeah, she went for a sardine.
They don't wanna eat sardines. Wow.
I don't like sardines. What are you thinking?
Next time.
Invented sardines? My parents used to eat sardines all the time.
You're right. This kind of sardines, this is different. It's Filipino one, very tomato-y. Okay? Next time when you offer me something, I want. She doesn't want to try it.
Not Filipino food, sardines.
Oh no, there's a lot more Filipino that I want you to try. The balot,
I don't know what that is.
the egg fetus.
Yeah, no.
The only thing he
In
eats.
Thailand, they kill monkeys at the table and eat their brains right out of their head.
Is that right?
Doesn't mean yes, that doesn't mean I want to do that. Yes, I'm in a very upscale restaurant.
Shit. You think you're gonna be smart like the monkey?
That's what they do. Some
Why is
people
it?
really like it. Some me I want to try it. Some people eat dog and really like it. Some me I would try it.
We have two dogs. Oh, we can try. Huh? Which one you think you're gonna try first? If you eat first, who's gonna eat first? You.
Roxy, we gotta try her paw.
Oh my God, Roxy, please.
That's why your mama's always forcing you to eat. She wants to fatten you up.
Force him.
Look at Thanksgiving turkey.
You're the one forcing him. Can you give me a thing? My thing over there.
What thing? Huh, a thing doesn't mean say nothing. What is the thing?
Guys, a hand sanitizer thingy.
Not here.
Under the a thing. It's just like you should know that.
Yeah.
You should know your place first before you back up. I did it already. But you should put the address first before you back up, and I have my phone over there. Oh, the one that you found. Where is that?
We're not getting anything here. What the hell?
You don't know where it's closed.
Okay. Goodwill only has 3.5 stars. Salvation Army's got a little bit less.
Oh, Salvation, 9 hours?
If you're walking.
Jesus.
45 minutes, 25 miles.
This one, oh, go this one.
This is up this way though.
Huh?
This is on this side of the bridge.
That's far away, huh? Almost an hour. This one, oh, 31 minutes. Oh, it's close to the...
So this one's an extra...
Yeah, go over
an
here.
extra 14 minutes, but in the meantime, this one's got 4.7 stars. That one's got only 3 stars.
nandito na kami guys. Para siyang ukay-ukay sa
Yeah, that's good for you.
para siyang ukay-ukay sa Pilipinas, pero dito nakahanger siya. Sa Pilipinas kasi ukay-ukay siya, parang ano, yun. Mga furniture guys, mga old furnitures. This nice, oh. This is nice, son. This one too right here, ang ganda niya. Tignan mo yun siya. In the table over there. Yeah. Oh, this, I like this, hon. And even this is old looking, I like it. Look at it. It's nice. 80 bucks, guys. Ang ganda niya. 80 bucks. 80 bucks. 80 bucks? TV, oh. How much is this? Hala, how much is 64 bucks? TV. Computer. Microwave. What is this, son?
Bread maker, it looks like it.
Bread maker. Maraming mga old houses thing. So you can donate the thing here.
Yeah.
People can use it, really. Wow, you have a lot in the house. Halahan, I like this China cabinet. Oh, this one right here too. How much is this? 50 bucks, son. 50 bucks na lang to. I think isang, it's all glass. 50 bucks. Oh my God. Lumabas kami doon. Wala kaming dala. Kasi we don't see anything like we're interested of any of the stuff over there. It smells like ukay-ukay, guys. Para talaga siyang ukay-ukay yung mga ang amoy doon. Ukay-ukay talaga siya. And naghanap kami sa mga furniture. There's nice stuff over there, like the China cabinet, right hand. It's nice, big. And guys, 50 bucks. I found some 50 China cabinet over there, 50 bucks. Okay siya, it's really nice looking if you paint and you know, but
Ron offered to give you that stuff for free. It was probably in nicer condition.
can I just tell you something? So we're just wasting our time to come here. We're going home.
Oh, yeah.
What's going on here? Why there is cups here?
That's what I wondered.
May police dito, guys. May police dito. Seems like they're having problem here, something.
So let me catch you. So let me catch you slipping by.
Okay, nag-defrost ako ng steak. Dito ko siya nilagay para ma-defrost agad. Salad na naman tayo, guys. Isang cucumber lang ito, guys. Ito yung nilagay ko. Look, hindi pa siya tapos. Andyan pa siya. Ano, blurry man ito. Andyan pa siya. And then ito siya. Ang nilagay ko is, ito lang, ginger, isang cucumber na na-harvest natin, lime, and then onion. And then lagyan natin ng pepper, kaunting asin, kaunting tuyo. Sobrang kaunti lang talaga kasi kaunti lang naman talaga ito. Right, sir? Sir? Si Tami ba, may ano dito doon, yung grill na kaon, iniwan. Ay, naku, I always check yun naman. Takot ako sa kalayo, guys. Baka magsunog itong bahay na wala na akong bahay. Pati yung snake nasusunog. Ikuha tayo ng toyo. Fairness yan. Ayan. Ilagay natin sa refrigerator. And then yun lang. Why is it blurry? Itong camera, guys, ba hindi na talaga nag-work na maayos. Tami clean the grill. Chicken niya to, guys, para trabaho. Nag-barbecue si Sir Tami at saka meron pang 1 batch. 2 batches. Yun yung ilagay niya sa chicken niya. Tingnan niyo. Yun. At ito yung dinner namin. Steak for dinner. It smells so good right now, guys. He put whatever he can have. Maybe you need a hot sauce and
That's the yellow powder.
huh?
That's the yellow powder.
I told you, every powder that he can find in this house, he will put. Guys, if you have a good poop powder, he will put it into, he will put it into his allowance. What is that? This is the
Cajun rub.
that's for the chicken
Cajun
fried.
pork.
Oh no, that's a seafood, hun. Hello, Roxy found some squirrel.
Look very light, cause
There, it's not really spicy anyway. That one.
yeah, with the smell. Of it. If he lands on your head, you're gonna be sorry.
Misty, go over there. Think,
She
hun, look.
said, I ain't going there.
No, she just make noise and stay there. Crazy. Tingnan niyo si Roxy doon. Kita niyo si Roxy, guys. Very unique yung cooking niya, guys. Doon na siya mag-marinate while cooking. So, akala ko, i-ano ko to lahat, ilutuin, pero parang madami ata. At saka malaki siya, so kailangan ko siyang i-cut in half para hindi siya malaki. So, I guess, hindi ko to maluto lahat. Ilagay ko na lang siya sa freezer. Yung tama lang sa aming dalawa. Kami lang kasing dalawa. Ginoo ko sa bangi. And ito, i-boil ko rin ito para kainin natin. With the, kainin ko si Tami, hindi kakain yan. Tapos na siya, guys. And look, tignan nyo yung okra niluto ko at saka yan. Kainin ko yan. Tignan nyo yung chicken ni Tami, guys.
I go there and look at me, get the big eyes, look at me like what?
Ito siya, guys. Dalhin ito ni Tami. I think magpaano lang ako para kaibiganan ito. And ito, kainin ko to. Dinner namin. Rice. And Tami is cooking steak. Oh, ang laki. It's a big steak, Han. Han, this is yours, oh. Because this looks nice and it's thicker. You know me, I want mine dead, okay? Siya yung tagaluto ko ngayon. Ang galing-galing ni Mister. Look, linis-linis pa siya. Ang galing talaga. You still need this garlic and stuff? Onion powder?
Yeah, I haven't used it yet.
But I mean, you need it for steak?
Yeah.
We don't usually do that. I can smell it here. It smells so good. That onion and garlic powder. Hi, Meats. Where are you? Where is Roxy? Where is your sister? You hot? You wanna go back in? Okay naman pala. Buhi pa, buhi. Kailangan pang patayin ng maraming beses. Kasi buhi. Susungagin ako niyan.
Well, I called you, remember? Try and eat something, Ma. Try something. You know you gotta eat. Get your strength up. No, he just said he didn't think Mom recognized him at all. Because he couldn't find his way there. GPS was bringing him all these dead end on the construction street.
Sabaw na ano. Ang tigas. Matigas lahat. Ayaw ko na pa naman sa matigas.
Well, I tried calling Steve yesterday, but I didn't reach him. I'm gonna try him again. Right.
Kinat ko yung...
Well, as far as I know, Jimmy's planning to come. Right.
Kainin natin tong asawa natin.
Alrighty.
Busy.
Talk to you guys later. Alright.
Busy sa telepono itong asawa ko. So, kinat ko yung steak niya. Focus tayo, guys. Kung anong klase yung steak ni Tamil.
That's the way steak is supposed to look
Look at that, guys.
when you eat it.
Hindi luto. Na cook steak. That's what happened. Stringy. It's right.
Come on.
Oh my god. No, don't even come to me. Oh my god. Go away.
You hit him.
I did. Magkaunta diri
Yeah,
pa sa ta. Bubuyog ba?
You go to church or the funeral home. You usually go
No.
from the funeral home to the church to the
cemetery.
cemetery.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you still travel and travel.
Sarap ng step, guys. Yes, tumaba na ako. Yes, I'm fat. But the food is so good. My goodness. You cannot say no to food.
I won't put my finger up to you. Your sister come out too.
She likes it. Pintong bukog.
Yes, really? Seriously?
Don't, honey.
Roxy eats hers, that's all.
Hello, Rox. Can you seriously, Rox? Honey, just do like...
You're gonna choke with that.
Ang sarap.
Can I just have one more little piece? One more? Oh. Don't you wish you dropped it on the floor, then it'd be yours.
It's just the wind. This is how many times, guys? Maybe this is the 5th time. Or more than 5 times. You cannot take the whole thing. Do it in my hand.
You're teasing us with it.
Don't take the whole thing, Rox. Okay. Roxy, eat. Misty likes it so much. She's trying. Roxy, be a good. Come, Misty. Misty's grabbing it. Look how good she is. She's so good.
You got better teeth for that than Roxy has too.
Yeah, I know. Misty taking the whole thing. Hurry up, Rox. Hurry up. She's halfway, Rox. She's halfway. Roxy, be a dog. Gee. Look, Misty's halfway, Rox.
I don't want to be a dog. Give me the damn bone so I can go out in the yard with it.
No, they need to have to share it. It's only one. It's so soft, that tongue, Misty. That's Misty's tongue.
One way to get your taste of food, Rox. You were stuck on a bone. I like when Daddy's here. He cooks.
Okay. Nagiupawa na, guys. Na tapos na yung ano. Grabe si Misty, han. She's so good with bones, han. She really know how to. Look, she grabbing my arm. She grabbing it. Look, you're so good, mates. She's so good. Look at her. She know how to do it. You don't even eat your dinner. She's so good. Misty, you're so good, mates. That's my finger. Ay, nako, Misty.
You carry rice, take your finger with it.
Look, she's looking still at you, hon. Look at her. Honey, look. She loves it.
Come here, Rox.
Misty, you're so funny. You're so funny, my God. You're so funny, Misty. Ay. Honey, she really... Oh, hala, hon, she skinned it.
Yeah, she got...
Wow, she's so good. You're so good, Misty. That's my finger. Don't bite my finger, nako. Okay, that's it. That's it. No, you cannot grab the whole thing. Because she really loves it. You're so funny. 8:15, but hindi nag-focus sa mukha ko. Focus.
Yeah.
Anyway, guys, we're gonna end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Thanks, guys.
I will see you guys in our next video. Bye. Okay, guys. Bye. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow. Teka muna, patayin natin ito. Yung mukha ko bulingit, guys. Tignan nyo yung light naka-on sa labas. Patayin natin, patayin. Yan, wala ng light. Automatic kasi yan. Every time 8 o'clock something, automatic yan. So, patayin natin kasi hindi pa naman sobrang talagang dilim. Okay pa naman sa labas. Yan. Anyway, bye guys. See you tomorrow. Bye!